Welcome to Catherine the Paint. Today I am doing an experiment that I've been wanting to do for a little while. I am doing 2 flip cups with all the same paint that's only made with Floetrol and water and no metallics. And I'm just going to do the flip cups, and while it's flipped over, I'm going to set one of them on fire and the other one I am not, and see if the one that has been set on fire has more cells, because I think, and my daughter and I both feel like that it develops more, it comes out with more cells if you set the cup on fire. So we like to do these paper cups and we like to set them on fire, but some people say it doesn't make any difference. So we actually would like to see if it does. So let's pour them the same. Mostly I'm using primary colors, but I'm adding a green. So I've got blue, red, yellow, green, black, and white. But I'm not going to put much black because I don't want it to be too dark. So there's a little bit of green. Some white. Some blue. I actually have 2 blues because I was almost out of one of them. So it's a primary blue and a brilliant blue. So whoops. Just a touch of black. Yeah. Do you hear that blue making that noise? It says no on my phone. Okay. A bit more green. A bit more white. Red. Just a little bit darker blue. All right, I think we still need a little bit more paint. Are we out of the, we're out of the green. All right. Yellow will work really nicely on that blue. And a little bit more white. All right, that should do it. All right, so just gonna flip it over. Roll this out of the way. Give it a minute. I am going to pop a hole in that and set this one on fire. Woo! Trying to get away. You know? Both have great cells, actually. Amazing! Never thought I would be doing 2 flip cups at the same time. How crazy is that? Okay. I'd have to just do it. I'm actually loving this color right here on this one. All right, gonna bring it back to the middle for a minute. Leave that sitting there for a second. Okay. It's going to go back this way for a second. Now, wow, you know what? It's the opposite. I see more cells on this one. How fun is this though? I love proving myself wrong. This is fun. All right. All right, so now we have this one little last corner to do. Almost. Okay. Wow. It's a messy business. Yeah, you just put that extra paint that's on the thing just on there to pull it off, and it just pulls it right off. Okay, what's the pen? Good Lord. Okay. All right, well, that is crazy. They look nothing alike. But it was so much fun. All right, let me bring you in for a close-up. On the right, left-hand corner, right-hand corner. Look at that middle, it's just solid cells. Looks like there's the right top and the left top. I think it looks like I filled up poppies with maybe a little stream in the middle. I don't know, with all that green and blue, I just love it. It's so pretty. All right, here's the one that had the fire. Right hand bottom corner. There's just some pretty colors right there. But this one is darker green and red dominated. There is the upper left hand corner. I mean upper right hand corner, excuse me. There's the upper left hand corner. Still does have a lot going on. Bottom left hand corner. There it is. All right. There they both are. This did not have the result I was expecting, but it was so much fun. Thank you guys. Please like and subscribe. Be inspired.